I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by readying both devices. Make sure the watch has at least 50% battery and the Keypad mobile has Bluetooth and location enabled. Once done, open the companion app on the phone if your watch requires one. Make sure the phone's Bluetooth is discoverable and keep the watch close, within 1 to 2 meters, to avoid pairing interruptions. You do this now so the phone can detect the watch immediately and to prevent repeated retries that waste time. You now initiate the actual pairing. First, open the companion app and choose Add Device or Pair New Watch. The app will scan for nearby devices. Then put the watch into pairing mode, often a menu option labeled Pair or Bluetooth, and watch for a numeric code to appear. Once the phone detects the watch, you will be prompted to confirm a PIN or accept the connection. Make sure the digits match, then accept on both devices. This step securely links identities. Finish by signing into any required account and granting permissions for notifications, contacts, and location, because those allow calls and messages to reach the watch. Once syncing completes, verify time, contact list, and message previews appear. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: reboot both devices, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then retry the pairing. If the watch still won't connect, unpair any stale Bluetooth entries on the phone and repeat the pairing steps to clear contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.